how to make your Google Chrome faster in Windows 10 or 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can make your Google Chrome faster if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the primary reason why your Google Chrome could be lacking is due to lack of RAM on your device, because Google Chrome browser itself takes up a lot of RAM while you're using a computer. If you don't have enough RAM, the other application could be causing the issues as well. There are a couple of things that we can actually do. The very first thing to check is to check for Google Chrome updates. So when you open Google Chrome, click on the three dots icon from the top right and then just go to the option called settings, which is C. Once you go to settings, you can just go to the option called about Chrome over here. Once you go to about Chrome, it will automatically check the version of Chrome and then update it to the latest version. You don't even need to do anything. You can just go ahead and update it automatically. The next reason what you want to do is you want to actually clear out unnecessary extensions. So you can see I have AdBlock and other extensions. To find out hidden extensions, just click on still extensions icon on the top right. When you click on this, you'll be able to see other extensions. If there is an extension that you might not want to use, just click on the three dots and then choose the option called remove from Chrome, or else you could just go to manage extension and here you'll be able to see all of it. You can just click on the remove button in order to remove this extension that you don't use from your Google Chrome browser. If this doesn't help, the next thing you want to do is under the settings tab, go to the option called system. Once you go to system, you can say use hardware acceleration when available. You want to simply make sure you turn this thing on. It is going to actually fasten up the speed of Google Chrome. Then after that, you can simply go to the option called reset and cleanup, and then here you can see clean up computer. It will actually check your computer for any type of harmful files. So just click on the find button, check if there are any types of harmful software. If it does detect, then you want to make sure to simply uninstall those software. If it doesn't, the other thing you can also do is simply try to clear your data. So just click on three dots, go to history and then click on history tab again. Over here you can see clear browsing data. You can select your browsing history. I don't want to delete my cookies and other site data, but I want to delete my cache images and files. You can also go to advanced and select your download history and so on. You can just select passwords, autofill, whatever else you've saved, and then after you've done that, just click on the clear data button. Once you click on clear data, you should be able to successfully delete your site data, and this should definitely make your Chrome much more faster than before. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.